Welcome to practicallynetwork.com. Today we address a common issue, your API key returning as undefined. Let's explore how to resolve this effectively. If your API key is set in an env file but logs as undefined, the problem often lies in access location or naming. Let's look at a quick fix. Environment variables don't automatically work in the browser. Frameworks like next.js or Vite don't expose server-side variables by default, leading to undefined results. To fix this, rename your variable with the required public prefix. For next.js, use next_public_API_key. For Vite, use VIT_API_key. This ensures browser accessibility. Ensure your env file name is correct. Use env local or env and place it in your project root, not inside /circ, to avoid loading issues. Variable names are case sensitive. Ensure exact matches in your code. For example, next_public_API_key must be referenced exactly as is, not in lowercase. Here's a quick recap. Add the correct prefix for public access. Restart your dev server if values are undefined. Ensure env is in the project root and check spelling and case. In this final example, using env local with next_public_API_key, the key appears correctly in the console. No more undefined issues. Thank you for joining us.